Well, we always say, trust where your information comes from,
Of
right?
course.
Yeah.
That's right, and not all weather apps are the same. Obviously,
Yeah.
promoting ours is that ours is unique and different in that we're allowed to, the meteorologist here, John Scalzi, was doing it this morning, to give alerts when severe weather or disturbed weather is going to be moving in, going to disrupt your plans. So keep that in mind. Also, a lot of these weather apps, you see the hourly forecast, those are all computer generated, so there's no really human eyes that can change those or adjust those because it comes out every hour or so and it makes adjustment. I want to show you one that a viewer sent in. Get a look at this. This comes from a weather app. Actually online from a company that has does weather and it has a channel. So you get the picture there. Right there at 6:45, it was showing snow showers. Expected to be at 6:45, and then those snow showers coming to an end. And then look at the temperature down in the bottom right where it says weather app. It has Sarasota at 22 degrees. I can guarantee you that it's not going to be that cold here tomorrow morning, but freezing will not be out of the question for Sarasota. Wind chill factors will be in the 20s, and snow on the ground is a big factor when it comes to how far the cold air will reach us. Now, that cold air continues to spill southward, and when it's on the ground, there's no chance for it to warm up the air mass above it, so it keeps it on the frigid side, and then that moves down northward as a result of this high pressure over Arkansas. That northerly push is going to be more north in time, and that means we're going to see the potential there, again, of freezing temperatures all the way to near the coast. So bring in or cover your sensitive plants. I had an email and just had some social media talking to me. Should I bring my plants in? I live over by Colonial Gables. Yes, I would. Cover them or bring them in, and now that freeze warning has now shifted west of I-75. And if you're going to use a space heater, which is very dangerous, again, make sure it's properly ventilated away from anything that could become flammable throughout the night. If you kick the space heater, obviously that could be a problem if it ignites fires. We see that every year with those. And limit your outdoor pets exposure. The little dog is going to have a tough go tomorrow morning, especially. Well, the satellite and radar combination showing that cold front brought snow earlier to the Panhandle, and a dry cold front settled through here. It is now, for the most part, cleared our area, and it doesn't look like we're going to see any system pop up in the Gulf that would move in when the temperatures get close to freezing here to bring us a chance for snow, because we have mainly northerly wind. But you can see those clouds that have come in right now. Those clouds will clear once those winds turn more to the north, and that happens later on tonight at around 11 o'clock. That shift in a more northerly course will get these clouds out of here and allow that temperature to plummet down to freezing all the way to the coast now. It looks like we could see freezing temperatures. The area in blue has now expanded all the way to the coast. It includes Pinellas, Hillsborough, Manatee, and Sarasota counties now. That freeze warning in effect until 9 a.m. And then we have a dangerous wind chill advisory as well, 20 to 25 degrees east of I-75. It will feel like freezing as early as, I would say, midnight tonight, with the winds blowing as strong as they will. And small craft advisory stays with us until tomorrow morning. Well, here's the overnight forecast hourly, and you can see by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, we should be in the low 40s with wind chills right around 32, 33 degrees. And then the temperature continues to drop to near freezing. Now, you'll notice that the duration of freezing temperatures here depicted by this model only about an hour, but I think it could be a few hours near the coast, or at least at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport and places to the south thereof. And then east, we'll see temperatures for maybe 5 to almost 8 hours below freezing east of the interstate. And highs tomorrow will not warm much, only into the low 50s really, with plenty of sunshine around after a very cold start. And then tomorrow night's lows and into Friday morning, we're talking, looks like upper 30s for the most part. So freeze warning expand, wind chills in the mid-20s, cold again Thursday night, Friday morning. Lows tonight will be, again, right around 30 at Port Charlotte, 28 in Northport, 29 in Mayaca City, 29 at Lakewood Ranch, and Sarasota downtown should be right around 31, 32 in Bradenton, and Anna Maria at 35. And currently it is 52 degrees, and the dew point is at 45. Winds out of the north-northwest at 17, and the pressure is on the rise at 30-26. So here we go, cold, and then we'll have highs only in the low to mid-50s tomorrow. Sunshine, plenty of it, 38 to start things off on Friday morning. Could still see some wind chill advisories then. And then we'll warm up to 70s. Back to 70s we go on Saturday, and things really turn around after that into the mid-70s Sunday through Wednesday of next week. We'll be right back after this.